Meet SnapFill. Now inside OpenClaw. Intelligent form filling, powered by your conversation. From applications to complex spreadsheets, SnapFill handles any format: Word, PDF, PPT, or Excel. It automates heavy lifting using the data you already have. Just drop in your form in background docs. Then, let SnapFill do the rest. It maps every field instantly from names to A numbers. You see the preview, you stay in control. One click to confirm, and it's ready. No manual entry, no guesswork. Whether it's PDF, Word, or Excel, your documents are exported clean and submission ready. The result? A perfectly filled permanent residence application. Every detail handled. SnapFill for OpenClaw. Form filling made effortless.